Hello, we're going to do I stands. Perhaps today just the first part at the A section. So the 7/8 part. 7/8 means 7 quaver beats in a bar. Most of the time, 7 quaver beats is an irregular time signature. So you will have either 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 groupings, which makes, of course, the metronome a little odd to put. It is marked vivace, and so that means very lively, and it has 4 sharps in the key signature, so that would be C sharp minor or E major, but it is mainly C sharp minor. Okay, it is full of sharp edges and have to pay real careful attention to your fingerings here. So you might choose different fingers than mine, but always stick to them. So write them in your own book and do not deviate from them ever. Okay, because that's the most important thing. Create those patterns and stick to them at all times. All right, so this first section, the A section, has 16 bars. That's not too much. What throws us off is really just the tempo. So da 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 da. But the accents are clearly marked. So if you do look with attention, it should not be too hard. Also, try to listen to the piece. So go to Spotify or YouTube or Apple Music, whatever you have, and listen to it. Okay? So, that said, let's do the first phrase. The melody is divided a little bit between the right hand and the left at the beginning. So we have C sharp on a black key, which is unusual. So your hand does not go down, but rather a bit more inside, and octave C sharp in the left, and that's where we start. Okay, so C sharp, G sharp, F sharp, D sharp, and then lonely E by its own, and then the left hand completes D, C, and arrives at B. You can do that with the thumb or the fourth. I would prefer probably to do that scale-like pattern. So that's bar 1, 3, 4, and now 1, 2, 3, and I arrived at bar 2. I arrived with thumb. Now, it's marked mezzo forte, and it has a pedal marking, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1. Notice that the pedal goes away on the 5th quaver. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1. That's again the 7th. Or, if you prefer to count 7s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay. Bar 2, we have left hand starting on B, C sharp, B, G sharp, F sharp, G sharp with B, B with G sharp, so they kind of swap places. Then I arrive at F sharp, there's a change to bass clef now on the left, and C sharp. Okay. Again, it's 4 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. No pedal here. Still mezzo forte. 1, rest, rest, rest. All right, so that was bar 2. With bar 1, this goes. Bar 3, and that's C sharp with F sharp. C sharp gets a minim. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now moves up to G and D sharp. B with C. Back to C sharp, F sharp. So where it started. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1. Now we have diminuendo. The first 4 half pedal again. Release pedal. Start the diminuendo. And that's the beginning of 4. I'll play the first 3 again. Voice forgot the pedal. Let go of the right. Let go of the left. Pedal. Let go pedal. Diminuendo. Okay. Now the right hand and the left hand on baffle. Let go right. And do let it go. There's a rest bit in there. Now that's D, C, D, B. D and C are sharp. And rests right hand. And you arrive where you started, except that this one is not an octave. Okay? C sharp and C sharp. Now it's just mezzo piano, a little quieter than in the beginning. So this bar 4 was rest and rests. Now this bar, it has the opposite accent or groupings. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, rather than 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and let's do the first phrase slowly. Okay, now how would that work with a metronome? Let's say we put this at half of what it's written there, which is 132, or a little bit less than half, and let's put it at 60. Now, it can be a little bit upsetting because there are places, of course, being 7 quavers, that the crotches is not gonna be on the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it's 3.5 crotchets, right? So you'll have to be pretty sure if you're marking a crotchet of where it is. So when you're playing slow, you might want to do, instead of those 60 crotchets, when you're starting, imagine you're just starting this, you may even want to do 60 quavers. That is doable. So that's very easy, just marking the groupings. Now, imagine I decide to do the crotchets, since I'm already confident. They're not going to be always in place, and it's going to confuse me. 1, 2. Every 2 bars, it is going to be right. Okay? Now it'll be twice as fast as this in the real performance, but we're not talking about speed yet when playing a tempo. And that was the first phrase, and now we arrived at the second phrase, which the right hand has very much the same, but it completes the phrase. It's not the left completing it for the right. So, and now we squeeze the finger 4 here, and E, D, C, B, C, D, B, C, B, G, F. I did 2 bars now instead of 1. C, G, F, D, E, D, C, B, C, D, B, C, B, G, F. Left hand. G, 2, 3, C, sorry, C, 2, 3, G, B, A, G, F, rests, 6, 7, F. Okay, so that's a G, C, F, and now how do they join? And this is mezzo piano, no pedal, and the groupings are 4 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. Without talking now. I didn't do a good accent here. there, so do remember to place the accents. Sorry, that was bad there, but okay, it'll do for now. Now the right hand goes F, G, turn to B with thumb, C sharp, D, E, C sharp, D, C sharp, B, A sharp, could be with the 2 or the 3, C, A sharp again. I repeat. And that's the last 2 bars of this phrase. We had them where we're on F sharp for 4 quavers, F, G, C, B, and then F, C, F, all sharp. Okay, and they join like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. A, left, right, rest, and on to the next phrase, which is a E, finger 4, and C sharp, finger 5. Now do that again. There's a crescendo here, followed by the diminuendo. And it's piano on the next one. I'll do it a little slower. Now the whole second phrase, bars 5 to 8, 3, 4. Okay, there's a moment here where it's a little E, but I'm sure you can do this if you're in grade 5. So F, G, B, C, where you have to release this hand to repeat the F. So make sure you don't get stuck there. And if you do, well, just repeat it until you're not stuck. Okay, these little places that are odd, try to see them as best you can. Now, giving you the same example I did, if this, the marking quavers, all is good right now. When later on we do with crotchets, if we're trying to understand how a crotchet would fall, it will only be correct, so to say, every 2 bars. Sorry, that was wrong. I got caught up in that one. I prefer to do this without metronome. Okay, now on to phrase 3, which I think is the hardest of these 3, but maybe I'm wrong. Left hand takes the melody and it's piano, so make sure you start with knowing the left, but don't linger there too much. Once you know it, join the hands. C, G, F, D, E, F, B, C, B, G, F. Little pedals here. Release, pedal, release, pedal, release. So again, pedal, let go, pedal, let go, pedal, let go. All right, it is written into the music. So these are 2 bars, 9 and 10. Right hand has E, 4 quavers. On the last quiver at the bar, D sharp, E, D sharp, B, A sharp, B, C, A sharp, I'm using the 4, F, G, B, C, oh, F is already on bar 11, so I'm not going there yet. So E, and we're at F sharp. So if you're playing black keys, maybe play the hand closer here, because otherwise you have trouble reaching the C sharp. Let me repeat that right hand. So E, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And with the right hand, little pedal piano. Little slower, maybe pedal, release pedal, pedal, release pedal, pedal, release pedal. And careful with the rest, I was not very careful. 1, 2, 3, 4, right hand up, together, left hand up. Now the pedals, pedal, let go, pedal, let go right hand, pedal, let go right, left. Now, kind of imitate one another rhythmically. That's F, G, B, C, E, D, B, C, B, G, F. There are first semi-quavers. And again, we continue with our last bar of each phrase being 3 and 4 instead of 4 and 3. So 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Left hand here is F sharp, F, G, B, C, D, E, D, B, A sharp, B, G sharp, maybe use a 2, it's more comfortable, C, and we have no C sharp. I'll repeat the left, 2, 3, 4. So I hope you can feel it, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now let's join it. I did this big movement, not that you need to do it, but to show you that you have to release the left again in order to play the F sharp. Let go left hand, but not right. Both go down a third, watch out for intervals, don't look down at your hands. C sharp, thumb on right, pinky on left. Let's do that again. There's a pedal again on the first 4 quavers. 1 and 2. 3, 4, release. Thirds, seconds. And we're done with this phrase, so let's do it all piano. Repeat that because of my bad A sharp. Okay. And now the last phrase in the A section, you have right hand doing what it did already nearly twice. So this is the same beginning. And now semi-quavers again. E, B, E, D, C, B, C, G, F, G, B, and end up F. little variation. Left hand, C, G, B. We did this already, but now we go up. C, E, D, F sharp, and then finger 4, F sharp on the next bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, F. Let's join them. Okay, I need some light here because it's getting really dark. It's about to rain, I guess. And let's see the ending of this phrase. So we have F, G, B, C. That's already something we did, but now different. E, D, C, B. So this beginning we did already in the other phrase. Ba, 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 ba. But now we go to E, D, C, B, C, B, G, F, F, C, F. Just a moment, need another light yet. Alright, yes, that's better. It's really getting dark. Alright, left hand. F, G, B, C, E, D, C, B, C, B, G, F, F sharp, C sharp, F sharp. I'm refraining from saying sharp because all F's, C's, G's, and D's are sharp. Okay, so the right hand here had an F sharp, it had ended there. And now we go to C sharp, A, B, A here is sharp. Okay, C, B, G, A, B, A. And let's join them. It has both a poco rallentando, slowing down a little bit, a diminuendo, and a pause in this F sharp minor, chord, minor or major. Well, I don't know, major because of the A sharp, sure. Okay, so there's a fermato there. We stay there because now we go to the 6/8 part. It's a lot less angular. It's a lot more round and more melodic. Okay, I'll play this fourth phrase. Again, now with quavers at 60. Oi, it's a lot slower. I'm going to slow down so I'm not together with a metronome. Okay. Beginning to end. I am end of this first part. I'm going to put the quavers at 90, otherwise I'll die of boredom here. 96 maybe. Okay. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. roughly it. There's a lot of detail that I could add, and then it's a lot faster than that. Okay, I mean really a lot faster, more than double that. Because I'm doing, imagine this just in keeping. It seems so crazy. But that's something like that, but a little faster than that. But I'll do a video on the complete song after. It's kind of hard to go from slow to fast like that. So that's the idea for the first part. Quick reminder, in the ending, we basically have the same thing. So the chord or return to the 7/8, it's not a real return, but it has the same material and it will be easier than the first part. So bars 33 to the end are what we do next. And I'll be right there with that. Okay? I hope it helped. Bye-bye.